What's up, guys? We are back outside working on our fence today.
If you missed part one, we showed you how we built this fence. Today, we're going to show you how we get to this point.
Where we left off, we were actually doing some repairs on both of our side fences, so that's where we're going to begin today.
Let's get to the video. Takes a very skilled carpenter.
So who are we going to call?
I find myself right in the middle. Oh my God!
He has the shop, so he doesn't have any excuse. Hey.
Well, so the original goal was, I thought the boards that were on that wall were way better than they actually are. The goal was to take them out of there and replace these because they're in worse shape, if you can look down here. And I'm still going to do that with these boards. They're kind of trashy, but they're better than this, So I'm just going to go and randomly pick some, replace them, and then power wash this whole thing. And, eventually I'm sure we'll have to replace this too.
And we do have some new boards, right?
I'm going to use the new boards first. Want to bring me boards?
Oh, I'd love to.
Okay.
What's going on?
Well, I couldn't sleep last night. So we put these up like too hastily. And I mean, look at them. So I made this little contraption here and I'll just move them, butt them up to that so it stays even and kind of work my way across here, make it less wavy. So now Candace is making me put a trim on that fence.
I'm not making you.
To match this one, right? Just to go across.
Yes, I gave him the option
Uh-huh.
of if we carry that trim across the top of this fence.
Okay, let's go.
All right. Also, guys, what the heck is this? I think it's a cicada. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. This is where we left off. Fence looks great, and we could just say it's done, but that's not us, right?
No, I like to zhuzh things up.
You want to explain what we're going to be, what are we going to be doing today?
So we like the look of the fences that have a post going through. So I'm going to cut another piece of trim like this and run it down so it looks like they're panels with the column. And we're going to do it on this whole run, on that run, and we're going to do it in the back where I pressure washed.
Sorry, distracted.
And make it all look the same while Francine goes back inside for a chicken.
Good girl, Francine. Francine, come on, backyard. Francine. Hey, no. Good girl.
First things first. They're not getting me. Not today. All right, so what do we spray?
I don't think that's how that works. What are we using to make this trim?
Cedar pickets. They're 6 feet. We'll rip it down 3.5. Put them up on the fence.
Okay, look at the door.
Can you grab these? I'm gonna go double check some measurements.
Okay.
To make sure I cut them right.
Get your measurements.
Oh yeah. All right. So 8, 4, 4, 9, 20. Separate these 5 here so I don't do them all.
You're very shiny.
I'm glazed. These guys are on now that we have. Fog free.
Fog free masks.
Okay, tested it. Good. Ready? Set. Begin.
Just fart.
No, that was my boot.
No, you would say that.
The fence, dips down towards that end. So these cuts aren't going to be square. I leveled it and then I marked back here where this wood is and where this wood is. And then I'll just connect this line and that line and cut there.
You're making a mess of our beautiful.
Oh yeah, I don't want to get things disorganized in here.
Hunter's next project is cleaning out the shed.
Whose project?
Yours? I have to edit. You think these videos just magically appear? because they're not like, you know, they're at like different depths. From the side, it looks so crooked.
I know.
We know it's not.
It's a fence, right? I shouldn't stress out about this gap.
He says as we add our 5th custom detail. And can we just take a moment to appreciate how good this old fence looks after Wender power washed it? You can't even tell the new boards from the old boards. Wender's finishing up putting a vertical trim on this back fence. And then he is going to put a top horizontal piece on this fence. And then obviously he'll also put the vertical trim pieces to match, just like the other side fence over here. Last trim piece.
Last trim piece until I go inside and think about another piece of trim I'd like to have on it.
That's what we keep doing.
All right, and then let's go to the big fence. Follow me. When we started putting these up, I come to the one where like the screw completely came off.
We don't need to.
So when we were putting this one up, we were leveling it and it was starting to look weird because the whole fence is racked to the right. So we just started following whatever
picket it landed
yeah,
on.
and I think visually it's a lot more pleasing. I think Candace put this one screw in here. All right, now we're done. Bye.
Good morning, guys. We finished painting most of the fence. The only areas that we have left are these front portions, loading me up with sunblock.
I'm just gonna skip the sunblock. It's clearly doing nothing for me.
Wender is blessed with skin that is very resilient with the sun. I am not, as you can see. I forget that your wrists are too fat. Yeah, you just put it on your wrists to hold it.
Too fat.
Too big and manly.
Yeah.
Too muscular.
Yeah.
Very muscular wrists.
Very muscular wrists. Yeah, this would be great to have a second set of hands to assist me in this very aggravating task.
You should call someone.
Okay, a little bit here and a little bit from my hand on the wall there. Leo floats out. You want to grab something for that?
Oh boy, should I be on the other side of the fence?
Do you want to stay here and I'll go over there?
Okay. You should be able to pull it. I ripped all of it off. Can you pull the rest of it?
Okay, go.
No, it's not that way. You're gonna. Oh my gosh, what is happening? All right, I'm gonna go through this way.
Put in the trash.
Okay, so we've got a bunch of these lights for the fence. They were like a 13 pack from Amazon. They're solar. We're gonna put these on like every section. And then I also got these solar string lights for the side fences. There was a 2-pack of string lights. I don't know how many feet, but we'll link it below from Amazon.
Come on with my lights.
So Wender's trying to figure out where we're gonna put the lights. We're centering them on that piece of trim.
So I made this jig. It's got the holes. I can just put it on the top here and find the center and then drill. Boom.
From the tray holder.
Tray holder. Put this guy here. All right, let me see the guy. over here. Hello. Trey?
Trey's there.
Okay.
I'm holding lights.
All right.
I'm
Switch
holding
jobs on
everything.
me, didn't even tell me. Here I go to the next pole. Stalling right
I like them. They look nice.
in the poles.
So you're putting the solar panel on?
Yeah, I'll put the solar panel in here. A couple of screws down. Man, I feel like once these things fall on the other side of this fence, we don't have lights anymore.
You're gonna go over there and get them.
Let's feed this wire back here so some landscaper can cut it. Look at your cat. Straight taking a dookie.
She's peeing. Good girl.
All right.
So it has different modes, different brightnesses. Brightnesses? Brightnesses?
Bright and eye?
Different bright eye for the lights. And it also comes with a remote. We can control it from inside the house.
Oh man, would I love to be at that point where I can control it from inside the house right now? Risking my life here.
Risking your life.
Yeah. You disagree?
You're like 3 feet off the ground.
You know, most deaths from falls are from 2.5 feet. Study show.
I'll have to Google that.
I want everyone to know it's 7:30. Well past my bedtime.
Well, this is a dream that I've had since lunchtime, and I'm not about to give up on it. No. So because we have the gate on this side, we can't have the lights go across the gate, so we're gonna just kind of put them down this pole. Right, Wender?
Sweating. That's it?
Can we make it kind of make it like swirly? Don't tell me no.
Can't do it.
Okay, fine.
All right, give me a thing.
But wait. I don't want a bulb on the ground. Do you want to just tack this one?
Hey, I want to do whatever it is you ask me to do that gets me inside the house the soonest.
You're blocking the camera.
This is not the time. Okay, all right. I'm leaving.
It's good?
This is the most perfect set of lights ever.
You just want to go inside. Just a reminder, this is where we started when a storm took our back fence down. And this is our new fence. That's going to be it for today's video, but we will be back with a brand new one next week. We're in for some wild weather. What happened out there?
The wind was against me.
It's weird because it's so bright out.
What's your background in tornadoes?
We watched Twister.
Yeah, we're good.
Doesn't it get dark when there's like going to be a tornado?
I don't know, babe.
What happened in Twister?
It got dark.
And an even wilder time figuring out what we're doing.
This router is pretty new to me. That's not the way.
No.
As we dive headfirst into another DIY furniture build we're probably not qualified for.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming up on the channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.